Yeah. Welcome to the takeover. For those trying to stop me, I would like you to please consider the following. You should know that I don't ever stop a second guess it. You should know that y'all are in the presence of a legend. You should know that I've been busy counting all my blessings. You should know you're dealing with a boss now, darling. You should know. Been about rap, but you wanna be the boss and you gotta learn business too. Cause you could get a plaque, but it won't pay back with no motherfucking interest. Ooh, y'all would rather flex, I would rather work. I just do my best, haters do your worst. Y'all have been a mess, truly going berserk. Hope you get better, but I'm really not concerned. Know that I'ma be okay, I don't really feel no shame. Y'all better get ghost, been about to seal your fate. Tell them all to relocate, y'all better be toast. Still they wanna underestimate, y'all ain't qualified to judge me anyway.
Never knew I had it in me, took over the city with a wicked flow. Used to never think that I would make it, but I kept it